Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Microsoft Office 365 and this is a complete guide for it. Right, so let's get, first of all you have to just go to Google and here you have to search for Microsoft Office 365. Right, and if you type here you will get this official website, that is Office 365 here. Now just go and click on sign in or get Microsoft 365. Click on get here. You can sign up later and here you will get this option that you want this family version or the personal version. So in the family version you can use for the 6 people in a family, and same goes for this is for the personal. So let's say I just want to buy for yearly plan. This is a yearly plan. You can also go and buy for a monthly plan here, and let's go and click on buy now. It will ask your account, so you have to sign in into your account here. Once you sign in into your account, now once you're here you will get this option, same thing, confirm subscription, and click on next. Right, so why I'm saying this, to download your Microsoft 365 you have to go and buy this up. So let's go and click on next, and here you have to enter the payment details. Right, and once you enter you will able to download this up. So you can enter it here and you will get this, and you will also get 60 GB of storage, works on Windows, Mac, or iOS, Android. Right, and Microsoft Defenders as well as premium Office apps too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.